Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install the downloader application to your Android TV box or Google TV. This is going to be interesting. Please make sure to watch right up to the end. And if you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So I'm doing this tutorial on my Android TV box, and what I'm about to show you is only going to be compatible on an Android device. So if you're using a TV that doesn't run on an Android operating system, this might not work for you. This only works on Android TV boxes or Google TV. Basically any TV that runs on an Android TV box. So on your Android TV box, what you have to do is, alright, in my case here, I am using a mouse to navigate. You can be using your Android TV remote. So whatever option you're using to navigate, go back to your browser. Now you can use your Google browser or you can use any other browser that you have. I prefer the Google browser. You have a Google browser on any Android device. So your Google browser, just go over to it and on the search box, you type in the downloader application. So just go over here, type in downloader. Now when I'm using my mouse, it's very easier to navigate than using the remote. That's why I prefer to use a mouse connected through USB to my Android TV. Alright, now here's the application we're looking for, downloader. As you click on it here, you are going to come out to options like this. As I said earlier, this is only applicable to Android devices. That's why I can use this confidently. Once you click on the first option, it's going to bring you to this page where you'll be able to install the application from the Google Play version of web version of your Android TV. Now, as you can see here, just ignore the mobile interfaces you see here. As long as your TV is an Android device, the application is going to work despite the mobile interface being shown here. So what you've got to do over here, just click on install button and the application is going to start installing just like how you install any application from the Google Play. So just give it a couple of seconds for the application to install. Once it's done installing, then you can launch it and start using it on your Android TV device. It is as simple as you've seen me show on this video. So if you found the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. Now that the application has installed, you can go ahead and launch it and start using it on your Android TV or TV box or Google TV. That's it about this video. If you found it helpful, please do not forget to subscribe.